Tires for skid steer loader applications Part 2. Number 4. Severe duty tires are for heavy work in mud or on hard surfaces. They feature especially deep tread and are highly wear and puncture resistant. These tires are commonly used for skid steer applications on abrasive surfaces or underground, in scrap yards, for road work, excavation, material handling, stockpiling, breakers, soft soil mining, and industrial work. Number 5. Super severe tires, otherwise known as mining tires, are similar to severe duty tires but are manufactured with additional features for durability and protection. These include solid center rims and bead-to-bead wire reinforcement. They handle many of the same applications as severe duty tires, as well as concrete work, cold planing, mining, quarry jobs, demolition, forestry work, steel mill jobs, and recycling operations. Number 6. Non-pneumatic tires are made from highly engineered rubber compounds to provide superior damage resistance. They are solid, meaning they can't go flat. They're also heavy, so they can increase stability and operating capacity but also fuel consumption. These suit most of the same work as super severe tires. Non-pneumatic flexible tires are much like the above, but they're designed to provide more cushioning and a more comfortable ride than standard non-pneumatic tires, which are not known for providing comfortable operations. Use these for all the same applications and a smoother, more comfortable ride. For more information call 469-370-7501 or visit interstateheavyequipment.com.